Alright, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there, heading out to Wicked Wednesdays in NYC. Gonna see how this turns out. Let's ride. Tell me about the event.
So, I'm Kristen. Welcome to Wicked Wednesday. Wednesday night at a different location in New York City or in Connecticut or Jersey. So, we have about 200 people, free things, hats, shirts, gift cards, and then we have a sponsor every week that gives away gear, heat, and yeah, we have a good time around with our bikes.
No problem, no problem. It's all good. Check it out. We here. Wicked Wednesdays, NYC, hosted by Revzilla. Check it out. Check out all the bikes. Look, it's crazy out here. I'll turn it around so you guys can see what's going on out here. We live. Look at this. Bikes for days, bikes for days. This guy, what's up?
Chilling.
My man, I'm good.
Good,
baby.
You know it. Out here, came out here with the little homies and stuff like that, a couple of the riders and stuff like that. And my arm cramping
That's
up.
what's up. Say what's up, man. It's you too.
What's good?
Crazy right now. How you feeling?
I'm good, man.
How y'all doing? Rambo. Rambo. Work, bro. Yeah, after work, man. Yo, listen. I already know how it's going. Like that. What's the family and everything, work. The whole day is crazy and stuff like that. So it's always, as long as we get once a week or whatever, anytime.
Where's the rest of Brooklyn at, Rambo?
Right now, listen, I got 5 with me, so that's each borough right there. I got a little bit of Queens in there, a little bit of Bronx.
Oh.
I brought out a couple of the boroughs, man.
That's what's up.
Trying to make more. That's the young prospect right here.
What's up? No doubt.
Sheesh.
We outside.
Right now.
We outside. No, I think they just bought this building.
Oh, for real? Yeah.
This company's been around for a long time.
That's dope.
But they sent some, this is some money right here. Now I know all that stuff I ordered from it went a long way.
Right.
Man. Yo, we going inside? I gotta turn it around so you guys can see what's going on. We in the shop. We in the shop. We in the shop right now. That's what's up. Check it out. Check it out. It's looking good in here. Hosted a nice event for everybody. That's what's up. We in the spot. What's going on? What's going on? Spot.
Shadow Black. Oh,
That's me. Who the boss, man? So I can find out what they want to be on YouTube, man. Who the boss? Who the boss? They got everything. Big ass store.
And then downstairs.
They spent a grip on this, man. I'm gonna have to tell my man that Big Bike Parts to step his game up.
Yes.
Holy cow! Check it out. Check it out. We in the house. Check it out. We in the house. Look at the products here. On the videos. The wall. So much dope stuff going on in here. All the helmets, all the jackets, everything you could think of. They're throwing a good event here. Trying to get my food on. What's up, everybody on IG? Let me go ahead. Let me get this on my Wi-Fi real quick. Let me find out what Wi-Fi I'm using. Oh, I can use their Wi-Fi. No, I can't. Hold on. Let me get the Wi-Fi popping. Give me a second, everybody. What's up? I'm gonna go check out downstairs. See what's going on down here.
Needed soda you too.
Okay, perfect. I need the water. It's for the seat. There you go, sir.
How is the baby stuff down? This is all the baby stuff.
Yes.
It just keeps on going. It just keeps on going for miles and miles. Winter riding gear. All types of stuff in here. Riding boots for the serious rider. Shout out to Repzilla for hosting the event. So yeah. All the gloves. It's even got a downstairs part. This is crazy. Look, it's crazy. Get as much footage as you can now. Man, everything's here. You know who else is out here? Whew. Grab me something to eat. Grab something to eat. Oh, forget it, bro. It got everything. Shit, man. I'm going for strictly water.
Yeah.
Yo, what up, man?
Yo.
I'm about to say,
What's good, bro?
Yo.
you about to mess around and walk into a
I
repair.
didn't see it, man. I'm busy thinking about messing up my vegan diet.
Boy, about to just walk into a repair right now.
That's what's up.
What's good, man?
What's up? I'm live on IG.
Oh yeah.
It's good,
That's
yo.
it. It's it.
Brooklyn in the building.
Yeah.
Get in. This shit's hitting
We
YouTube.
see us. We here. We in the building
It's
today.
hitting YouTube today.
Yeah. I see us today.
Yo, what up, bro?
How you doing, man?
Good. Oh. Who's on IG right now? Let me get my grub on. Thanks to Repzilla. Who's out here? Black Widow, what's good, man? How are you? Bike night, NYC, Wicked Wednesday. Got some beautiful bikes out here. Beautiful bikes, beautiful people. The weather's good. sorry I'm eating in front of y'all. It's a hell of a piece of property they got here. I'm telling you. You gotta see all the bikes. It's crazy. Now it's like 90. It's probably like 88 now. The temperature came down.
The Ryker hospital. So I took off my mirrors. I'll give them to you so you can take that crap off.
No, my mirror cracked in the winter, bro.
With the cold?
Yeah. I had it in my garage. Because it got so cold, I went to get by my garage, went to just move my mirror back. It's just...
I got the convex ones over the mirrors. I taped it just to give me a better view.
You like that view though?
Yeah, dude, it makes a big difference when you're moving quick and you just want to glance. You get to see. These, the ones that are quasi-moto, the ones that fold in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got them. So this is expensive.
Motorcycle mirrors is crazy.
The only reason why I got them was for Father's Day. The kids, it's like everybody gave me like $25 gift cards to Amazon.
Yeah.
So I ended up getting like $200 and I just put the change and I just...
You coming down? We in Brooklyn. We in Brooklyn. Come out. They hosting an event. Come through. Yo, showtime, come out. We're in Brooklyn. You better come out. Don't run out of parking.
I think that's why.
Showtime, we're gonna be here till 10 o'clock. Shy, your bike won't start. Never heard of that. Check your battery.
You gotta put the key on.
Yeah, put the key in, Shy. Gotta come out, look. Show y'all what's out here. Oh, look at all those Rykers. Oh, look at all those Rykers. Brick City was good. What's good out there?
Shadow black building, baby. We pulled up on the highway. We pulled up on it.
Traffic is sick. Where my people at? 2D, what's up? Killers. Take stills.
Fix it up like that.
Take stills.
Fix it up like that.